any, I mean to say your contact sphere.
No,
Your contact sphere starts from here only. The people who will be attending. Then when you go back, your contact sphere is also your friends, your exporter friends, your buying agent friends, anybody who can be benefiting from the platform.
fair enough. I'll do that. In fact, what I'll do is, I think I'm speaking to a few people today, and I'll probably get inform them about the platform as well.
And yesterday also we had this. So since yesterday, there's a thought which has been going on. Which I will be strongly presenting now from the next meetups. Let's not waste even our time on spreading or listening to news. That story is closing. That story is closing. So many people died in US. So many people died. This is the fact you cannot change.
Lokeshi,
You are just a spectator to the fact.
true. Lokeshi, I had an idea, and maybe I'll float it to the group as well today.
Yes.
Uh, we are now trying to get into domestic as well, because I don't think that only export will help us. Even a domestic, if you have a domestic market, that will help us as well. Uh, we are thinking, or we are trying to get to hotels, specifically in projects. So if you can help us in some way possible in maintaining that change, or establishing that
Yeah,
contact.
there is a way. There is definitely a way if you're looking at domestic market, and we should look at domestic market in these times.
Yeah.
There is a way.
So that's something we are exploring. Both Gaurav and I both are exploring it, and we are trying to get establish contact with hotels. If one way or the other this can help us, then we should probably uh, try it.
Yeah, definitely we can actually see how I take it as your feedback. Now I'm going to create a new meetup
Yeah.
with the subject
Okay.
and with the opening statement that after the meeting, anyway we are now extending the time, we are going into breakout rooms, so you have 15-20 minutes to talk to other people as well.
Yeah.
So you should, in the beginning of when you are introducing yourself, I'm going to introduce a new thing today, that what is your ask. That's what we have been actually taught and mentored in BNI. And what is your give?
Okay.
So your ask would be, I would like to speak to people who should be able to guide me, or take up this domestic sales initiative I want to have. And after this session I would like to go into a breakout room, and anybody would like to, even a fellow exporter wants to discuss something with me, that how I should do it, and if they are also looking for it, create a self-help group of two people.
Understood.
Not only buying agent or a domestic expert you should be looking for, you should also be looking for the thought has generated in your mind. Now this thought has to germinate, so that there are seeds you can grow, then there will be a plant, a small sapling, and then the plant, and then the big tree. So right now you're sowing seeds, so you should be looking at all the avenues and talking to n number of people, offline, online. And then you come back in your war room strategy, as the process we have been telling. Once you attend something, once you discuss something, just don't leave my state of mind.
Got it.
Be in that state of mind for a few more minutes, for 15, 20, or whatever time you want to have. Do not be getting distracted by phones or any calls, because you're alone right now. uh, Most likely what happens is, as soon as we get disengaged, I'm into a different mode and you're in a different mode, so we get to slip away from the topic, and we close our mind to the topic we have been actually investing our 1 hour. So why, there is no harm in investing another 15 minutes to draw a strategy from the learning.
Fair enough.
And then on the strategy, when you learn something from the strategy, then your action plan comes. That is a time when you say, okay, my meeting is over. Our meeting doesn't get over when we are switching off our phones.
No, I understand.
Welcome Kapil, welcome Ajay. So to tell you, Ajay and Kapil, if you are not showing your faces on Facebook, you are not seen.
Good morning. Good afternoon, Lokesh ji.
Good afternoon.
Good
Because
afternoon.
our space is not comfortable to show.
Good afternoon, Ajay ji.
Well,
Good afternoon.
if you have to be a warrior, if you have to serve the community, you have to show your face. It's as good as simple as that.
Absolutely.
How is it okay?
To be visible.
Yes.
All right, started. When are we starting? How much time more?
Well, the actual session is only 15 minutes at 12:30. 12:15 we start introductions. Depending on how many people are coming, we can elongate the introductions to or something to share. And 12:45 is again open networking session. You can ask questions related to the topic or away from the topic, whatever you want to take it away from this webinar. Welcome, Ishank.
Hello, sir. Good afternoon
How
to
are
all
you?
of you.
How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
How's the Spanish classes going?
Sir, not in the swing right now.
Why?
Uh, Basically, the time difference is very much. So it's near
So
about
what?
16 hours difference. So when somebody try to told me, so it's they have to just clear out all the household things at that particular time.
So I did not understand. 16 minutes time gap means? What do you mean by that?
The time difference of 16 hours. So when there
What?
is near about 12 p.m., 12 a.m., the midnight. So at that particular
Yeah,
time, in Colombia or in the Spanish countries, it is near about 2 p.m. That is after the
yeah.
afternoon. So
So,
it's night here and it's daytime here.
what is stopping you to not sleep and attend the classes? Guys,
Pardon?
Ishang, what are you doing? Why are you not attending classes at 12 midnight?
I just started by today, sir. I just started by today.
And to tell you, I have just stopped my midnight session because I'm done with them. I've learned what I wanted to learn from them. Now it's time to action. I've already strategized with meetings. I've known how this thing works, how we have to go forward. So you are actually now you wasted 3 weeks sitting in lockdown while sleeping at night. You should not have slept at night if the classes are
Yes, sir.
happening at midnight.
That 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 is a meeting regarding the Zoom app. But initially, I have been in a touch with a person in the WhatsApp.
No, what is
So
my
I'm ready
question?
to.
My question is, how is your Spanish language skills initiative you had taken the first day going on? And you said, sir, timing is not correct. So I'm talking about timing. I'm not talking about quality or quantity and whatever things. It is you
Yes,
who came back with challenge. Says timing is not matching. And I told you the timing is not matching because you're not ready for it.
yes, yes.
Because you're not opening up yourself. You're not making an effort to stay awake till 12 noon and then maybe sleep.
Yes, sir.
You, uh, Piyush, you guys, actually, Ishaq has been a regular. He's a Michael Aram senior merchandiser. And so he had shared this one time that when we started the webinar, he said, how do I pass my time? What are the things we can do? We had several beginner sessions in the initial days. So he said, I said, what's your passion? He said, I want to learn Spanish. Ishang, why don't you narrate us to a short story while we have all people are adding up?
Pardon, sir?
Why don't you narrate the story? How did this discussion started? The Spanish thing.
Yeah, so everybody is talking about their uh, passion regarding the life, or maybe what we can do in this particular free time when we are just locked down in our home. So, sir had just asked me regarding myself. So I just told him कि I want to learn a different language other than my native language. So basically, I am very fond of learning the Spanish language because I have 2 or 3 languages in my mind. That is the German, Spanish, or it's like French also. But what I found is the German and French is quite difficult to understand, or maybe even difficult for a different person to speak. But initially, the Spanish language is quite similar to that of the English. So I choose that language. So it's like a passion for me, but initially I just started by today itself. I give my commitment that I will be in the Zoom meeting for all the people who are trying to help me for the learning of the Spanish language that I found by the cow surfer. So I really started by today. That's my commitment.
That's good. As soon as you begin, the journey starts.
Yes. But meanwhile, I'm also in a touch with a person in the WhatsApp itself. So it's like I'm learning, but not with a full swing, like we are learning in the face-to-face session. That I want to do that.
So why don't you start your Zoom meeting yourself?
Sir, yes, I have started. I just try to start it by today itself. I have created a.
No, I'm saying if the guy one person is with you on WhatsApp as a Spanish thing, why don't you make him comfortable and agree to him that okay, why don't we come on Zoom? Because when you speak a language, the face, the accent, the
Yes,
face
yes.
connotations also really would be needed. You can do it on WhatsApp video also, not Zoom.
Yes, sir. I just try to convincing for the video chat, but she is not comfortable with that. That's why.
That's the problem.
Another person that is also a female, she is comfortable with the Zoom app itself.
So I'm taking one advice from our senior manager. I will not speak much. You guys should now initiate something. I'll speak at 12:30.
So Ishank, I'm in touch with Shubneet and Manmeet at Michael Aram. And as far as passion is concerned, I'm learning to dance. I mean, dance otherwise as well, but then I am learning choreographies these days. That's what I'm doing.
What's that?
So dance choreographies. I'm a trained dancer, so I'm just learning dance choreographies as well.
Wow. Ajay, you're muted.
Choreography, to my knowledge, is different from learning dance.
No. So I'm a trained dancer, so I'm just learning choreographies now.
Oh yeah, so choreography is a different subject, I believe.
So
It is
Choreography is actually you're creating an art, a dance, and people should be actually taking up as steps to dance. So you are creating a content, creating the action of how you should dance.
yeah.
okay. Interesting. Very interesting.
So I'm learning choreography. I'm not doing choreography. I'm learning choreography. I am a trained dancer for the past. I've trained for about 14 years, and then I'm doing this now.
So now you're going on the next level of creating the moves.
Yeah.
So choreography is always creating the new move. For example, Kapil Sharma had actually asked Ajay Devgan that entire whole Bollywood so far has been dancing on legs. You're the only person so far we have seen. He's only dancing by hands. So all is if you and that is a very strong observation from a person like Kapil. And yes, this is a fact. If you see all the Ajay Devgan movie, all the choreographer will use his hands because they know that he's not a leggy person. So that's the power of being a very smart choreographer.
True.
That's a very interesting thing I know by today. Ki Ajay Devgan is usually used more than of his hand rather than the legs. That I didn't know.
You should watch the Kapil Sharma show with Ajay Devgan. You will. This is a very interesting thing. So this is something which I again say. Take a telescopic view.
Yes.
Of course, it's entertainment. We are laughing at the event, but there is a very key takeaway as well. That how, as a choreographer, as a mentor, you have to work on the skills and weaknesses of the person you are teaching. So that was something Kajol actually was also there, and she was joking that yes, you don't know, and that was Tanaji's debut when he came. He said, "You don't know the new move at Tanaji. You will all be surprised." So how are you doing it, Piyush?
So through basically through YouTube, there are videos on YouTube wherein they kind of suggest as to how you go about choreography and what you should do. That's pretty much it. And whether it should be lyrical or not, and if it's lyrical, then how would you work around it? That's pretty much it. And I'm trying my own few moves as well. So.
Like what?
So I'm into hip hop and popping and locking. So I do that, and I know a little bit of salsa as well. So I mix both, and I try to make a move out of it.
So yes, interesting. So why don't you share that with people and friends like us who would love to see you dancing as well, or taking some moves?
I can share my old videos with you where I have danced quite a lot. That's pretty much
very interesting. Very interesting.
See, this is the problem we had actually been facing at least in our fraternity of buying Indian exporters. We are not connecting on personal level. We are just looking at transactional level of business. That you come with the buyer or I come with my merchant. Here is the order. Here is the PO. Here is sample development. We don't even spend 5 minutes talking about your passion, your challenges, your life. There's no harm in it. As you rightly said, I would like you to say that again, what you learned yesterday in the breakout room, what you were saying at the initial time.
Okay. So yesterday, it was basically from day before yesterday, the session that we had with Ms. Sandhya Samuel. So the key takeaway from that session was primarily about taking the initiative and getting in touch with your clients regarding delayed timelines and reduced quantities of orders if you're open to that idea. So we kind of opened that channel with a few clients of ours who are our catalog clients, and we kind of gave them the option of delaying the timelines as far as their shipments are concerned, and they kind of appreciated the fact, and we got the reply in about a day from them saying that we appreciate your initiative on this, and we'll get back to you with a revised timeline. So so Lokesh ji kind of gave me a feedback on that and said that if see the fact that we have opened the channel, so later on if there is a problem, like the channel is always open, and then you can be frank with your client and talk to them about it, and it should and they should be able to understand the problem, or maybe you guys can work out a solution yourself together. And the second thing that I wanted to propose was the fact that while we are in while we are in yeah, Lokesh, you were saying something. And okay, so the second thing that I wanted to talk about was the fact that while we are primarily into exports, we should certainly explore the domestic market, and primarily hotels and the project industry. So if someone can help us, or connect with the right people, uh, you're more than welcome to just help come together. We can get into a breakout session after this, and you know chalk out a strategy or share ideas. Lokesh, you're muted.
Sorry, did you guys got the message? What he's trying to say? What he's conveying? Anybody? Kapil, Ishank, Ajay, Naveen. Welcome, Naveen.
I got his point. He's trying to looking for a new opportunity. We should not look basically 100% on exports only, because India itself is a big market. I remember a time there was when Nokia was launching Nokia mobile phones, and the latest models were launched in India because India was a bigger market than Europe and US. And still, I believe that India has the same potential right now.
I mean, companies like Ethan Allen and Goax, and these companies import their stuff back to India, and then these are sent to projects and to interior designers. Instead of that, if we can just create a channel within India wherein we can provide our products, and we can create a chain within India itself, that would be great.
So, anybody else? I have 3 takeaways from his conversation. Anybody else would like to share, or I can speak?
Go ahead.
First of all, let's have introduction. It's already 12:22. Then I will take up this subject, and that's exactly the topic as well today. Then let's start with Naveen ji. Ajay, you would like to take the hosting part of 10 minutes for introductions?
I can do that. I can take over for 10 minutes. Not a problem.
Please take it.
All right. Starting with Naveen ji. Please introduce yourself to everybody.
Hi, this is Naveen. I'm from Nirmal Designs, Kundli, and I'm basically into home textiles. And main market is US right now, what I'm doing.
Welcome, Naveen ji. Next on the list is Kapil. Please introduce yourself.
Hi, this is Kapil Grover from Omega Merchandising, and we are in floor coverings and catering multiple countries. Thank you.
Welcome. Ishank, next is you.
Yeah, hi everyone. My name is Ishank, and I am working with MA Design India Private Limited that sell their products or handicrafts with the well-known brand name as Michael RM. So basically, we have two verticals, that is business to business, and second is the business to customers. So with business to business, we are currently catering the Bloomingdale's, Macy's, and the Neiman Marcus stores. That is all over worldwide and the USA itself. And with the B2C, we also have our own stores in 4 of the places in the USA. Second is the B2C. From the B2C, we are offering the products via the online channel also. That is our website and with the amazing selling part. Thank you.
Welcome, Ishank. Next on list is Piyush. Piyush, please unmute yourself and then.
Hello everyone, this is Piyush from AM Glass International, Firozabad. We are manufacturers and exporters of glass hardware. It's primarily vases, lamps, tabletop accessories, anything to do with glass. We also customize products. We right now are catering to USA, Western Europe, Middle East, Southeast Asia, South Africa as well, and a few clients in India. And these are all .com clients in India at the moment. But would like to explore more opportunities as far as domestic market is concerned, because I think that's one area that has not been explored yet. Thank you.
Absolutely agree with you. Domestic is a big market and you should look at it. Mayank, you are the latest in our group today. Please introduce yourself, unmute and then speak.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Okay. Hello, everybody. I am Mayank Goyal, and we are the manufacturer of polypropylene outdoor mats. In India, you call it chatai. We manufacture it and supply it in many European countries, as well as we supply it to America. The product is mainly used for the outdoor, but you can also use at the indoor. We have done a lot of different designing and lot of innovation in this product. Now the product is being selling from Walmart to Woolworth to pretty much every big retailer you can name it, and mostly to the grocery stores like Kroger's, A.S. Watson. So a lot of companies are buying this product. The product is although a little new for the market, but there are still people, some of the customers are still, thinking while buying this product will work or not due to the lower, I would say, inexpensiveness of the product. With the same area of the it covers under the dining table or the sofa. The product has been really catchy, and they can always, use and change more and more colors. The product is reversible and it is UV protected. There is a lot of other things we do as well.
Welcome, Mayank. It was nice to hear about what you all do.
Thank you.
I am the host for the next few more minutes, and being the last on the list to introduce. My name is Ajay Abral. I represent UA Consultants. We are buying agents. Our primary market of interest is lifestyle products. We are mostly concentrated with the US market, mid-size to high-end. That's our customer base. And I'm also part of the FBA as the secretary.
Very nice.
And I welcome you all on this platform to get started. I must say, Mayank, you hold a very interesting product. चटाई तो यार originally चटाई जिसे कहते थे वो तो चीज अलग थी. अब आप लोगों ने जो बना ली है वो एक मॉडर्न वर्जन है उसका.
Yes.
बट मैं उसको चटाई तो नहीं बोलना चाहूंगा. मैं चटाई बोलूंगा तो मेरे को ऑर्गेनिक पुराना डिजाइन चाहिए जो हमारा ओरिजिनल होता था.
We do have that as well if you want.
अरे भाई चटाई है, उसको नई चटाई कह के बेचने तो क्या दिक्कत है? अच्छा है ना, वैल्यू एडेड. तो ओरिजिनल चटाई को हम वैल्यू एडिशन करके महंगे में बेचेंगे. ये ओरिजिनल चटाई है जी, ऑर्गेनिक.
उसकी वैल्यू ज्यादा आएगी, ये भी ध्यान रखना.
मैं आपको वैसे एक क्यू दे देता हूँ टू ऑल द एक्सपोर्टर्स एंड इवन टू द बाइंग एजेंट्स. हमारे जितने घर के सामान है ना, जो देसी भाषा हम लोग इस्तेमाल करते हैं, भाई साहब कॉपीराइट कराना शुरू कर दो उनको आप.
बिल्कुल, they will sell at a better value any day. Mayank, there is a request on the chat platform to put in your address and contact details. So please do share.
Sure, I will.
So what happens is after the meeting, you can save this chat if you're working from a computer, a laptop, so that you have all the contact points of everybody in future. That's created a file in your own laptop. That's the reason we are asking you to write everything, because we don't know the, the platform becomes so big at one time. Sometimes when people come back, I want to meet that person. And
Sure.
anyway, I would like to know, how did you came to know of us, and are you all on our meetup group, and that's where you have signed in?
You're talking to me?
Everybody who has now come
Okay.
here, new first person, how did you came to know of us, and are you a part of a meetup?
Well, no, I mean, I came to know through LinkedIn. I was already searching for the buying agents, and then there I found your name, Lokesh, and I found that there is a fraternity for the buying agents, which I found really nice. So I joined. I actually sent you a friend request, and you said you added me, and then we started from there.
All right, so you're part of a meetup as well.
Yes.
And Naveen?
I met you many times in Habitat Center. I joined many meetings.
All right.
So
And now you're now keeping
I'm
yourself,
a follower.
and you're keeping yourself. It's good. We are all followers of each other. We are learning from each other. So you're also part of meetup, and you're following all the events.
Yes.
We are now soon coming up with maybe a series of events on how to manage cancelled orders, wherein we'll be having buying agents and exporters together in the room. It is time now to draw strategies. And so let me start. It's already 12:30. I'll give you the topic and how I am telling you this. Can you win a relay race? So I would like to know, how many of you know what is a relay race?
Pretty much, I think everyone knows it.
You should tell me.
It's basically depends on what you're running. If you're running 100 meters or 200 meters, there are 4 runners effectively, and there's a baton given to one runner, and then after a certain distance, say 100 meters, the baton is passed on to the second one, and thereafter the third one, and then the fourth one completes the race.
Anybody else would like to have a different take?
The same.
That's the literal sense.
So that's a literal fact.
Yeah.
I would like to have your mind explore deeper. This is a team effort. So what are the skills you need to win the relay race? And anybody, if you would like to volunteer and write those skills in the chat, that will be a very good thing for everybody. Also mention that and then write, okay, this is something which I think to win a relay race, this is needed as a team, as an individual. That's a question.
I think we must be a hustler, first of all. We have to complete that task as soon as possible, so that we just pass it on to the second one. So that
write
we
down,
might be able
write
to
it
do
down, hustler.
I am writing it, but I don't agree with that.
No, you should write. That's his opinion.
Yeah, I'm writing it. Like I said, I'm writing it, but I'm.
Anything else, Ishank?
No, sir. Hustler is now.
Anything else? Anybody else? Yes.
Communication
yes.
and timing. That's required.
Timing is huge. Yes, I agree.
Timing.
Communication. Yes.
Trust on your team.
100%.
Self.
Yes, Kapil. Somebody was saying.
Anyhow.
Sorry, Ishank, again?
Perseverance. So if anything happens, I have to complete that task anyhow.
Perseverance, yes.
I would say.
So that actually is a better word than hustler.
That has a different meaning also, but consistency.
Consistency, yes.
Moreover, concerted effort. I mean, all of
Collective
us
effort.
Yeah, all of us have to be at the same level.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Teamwork.
Teamwork was the right word for that. You have already
Teamwork.
put that. Because you are in a.
Ajay, if you keep sharing and just press the enter so we can all read what you are entering, so we can add more points, na? Otherwise, these points will keep repeating. And you have to change from privately to everyone when you are sending the chat. Otherwise, the chat will only come to me.
It's going to everyone.
Okay, yeah, got it. Hustler, timing, communication, trust in the team, perseverance, consistency. Anything else somebody can what?
While
Kapil?
this may be covered in teamwork itself, but it's more about knowing your strengths and your weaknesses and knowing your teammates' strengths and teammates'
Yes,
weaknesses.
yes. That's a different take on teamwork. That should be mentioned.
Planning and positioning. That is what I would write for it.
Planning and positioning, yes.
The
And
strongest
knowing
player.
your strength and your
SWOT analysis, basically, of the team.
so
Absolutely.
SWOT analysis individually and as a team,
Yeah.
both. Kapil, you want to add something? Samir, you can also send the chat because you can write and maybe you are not able to speak because of poor network. And of course, we cannot see you, but always you can chat and you can send something in the chat. Anybody else also can send in the chat. That's not Ajay's the only one who's going to send it. Kapil, I think, is not available. So now I will give you why I have asked you this question and why I asked you to write all these things. You have to treat every individual at this hour in your business, in your professional life, as your teammates, and convert this race to a relay race. As you rightly mentioned, Piyush, the perfect example you gave that you had some doubts. Sandhya guided you to engage with the buyer, and you reached out to the buyer, and you are so relaxed today. You know what? Why it happened? Because you took the buyer as a relay race team member. You had some weakness, and they had some weakness. You are now engaging yourself between these two entities, trying to solve a common problem. So at this hour, and in the evening today also, there's a different take to the a new sports. I have been a sports person before. When I was thinking of adding subjects to the events, the first thing I came was relay race because I've been athletic myself, so I have learned these things. Then I said, what is the other thing we need to take? It is long jump. So we'll discuss that in the next event. So when you're doing a relay race, there is so much of things before the race also happens, which you already mentioned. You all know this. I have not told you. I think maximum points are covered here. I'm just giving you a different take that how do you should take these skills in your business now. That is my giveaway to you today as your friend. Go back, and I will again insist you after the webinar, please do not shut your window and mind. Sit down and paper and pen or maybe notepad, whatever. Think of what I learned, what has been spoken, and is it making sense to my mission of coming here? Is it adding any value to what I was looking for in the event? If it is yes, work on that first. Apply that in the business. How do I do this? Okay, if I have to imagine that this is a relay race, I have my staff members, I have my family, I have my buyers, I have my buying agents, I myself. What are the weaknesses among us? What are the strengths among us? Where can we play? How do we win this race? And from there, you will have a action plan coming out, which would be which we call it expectations and deliverables. That what is expected from you and what do you expect from your team? And deliverables. If your expectation from the buyer is to not cancel orders, what deliverables you should accept or you should be giving back to them. It is not about at this hour. It is not about your business. It is about everybody. Only the life is something which you have to think about yourself right now. That's the basic bottom line today. If it comes to a life, I will think of myself even before anybody else. Other than that, you should not think of anything, money, business, helping. You should not stay away from doing it. You should think of, okay, if I have to win the relay race, I have to get back to the booming business I was doing. If I am not helping these people as my team, there will be a big chaos and I will be a big loser in the long run. In the short run, maybe you can win it, but not because if you're not taking it as a relay race and you're taking like 100-meter sprint, guys, I would say you're wrong. Then you'll be having a localized 100-meter sprint race in your town and you will keep winning that. You'll not be a global leader. You'll not be able to compete globally. because these skills will stop you to do bigger things in bigger perspective. I hope I'm making sense.
Yes,
Naveen, Mayank,
yes, yes.
Kapil.
Yes, yes.
Yes, yes, of course.
So when we are doing the relay race, and I have played so much, so I'm a player, I have experienced it also. You guys also, some of you played, or when the guy is approaching with the baton, his heart starts to pump, because those few seconds before we and you, it's a foul if you start running and the baton is not with you, because he cannot cross a line. If he is coming from behind and he has to give you a baton, there is a white line which he cannot stop, go away. If he crosses that line, the team gets disqualified. So that is also one of the very key takeaway, that what is the timing, what are the steps I need to take in my business in terms of my cancelled orders, my running orders, or my future orders, or open POs. They're all batons for you. Please do not think that the buyer is going to be the one who's going to deliver me, and I will be just, when he comes, then I will start running. You have to be prepared at the right spot at the right time, so that as soon as the baton is given to you, you have to reach out to reach that baton, because he cannot run, and the distance of one arm becomes so critical in a race. If you're looking at competition, international competition, that one arm length of giving a baton after the line and before the line is a very critical thing. Just like you've seen in 100-meter sprints, everybody says the first few milliseconds makes you a winner. That's exactly which is now needed in the business now, especially when you're doing international business. Everybody has a challenge, everybody has something to do. You need to bridge that gap as far as possible to make the other person who's carrying a baton, or again, when you give the baton to next person, your thought process changes. You want to compete and reach early as possible, so this guy can actually run fast and we can win the race. So you have to now think of this as a store, that if I am not able to give them right product, right price, good discounts, and compete with the time to have the store running, guys, your shops and your factories will run when the stores are running, mind you. It is not possible that you can barrage the buyer with orders and merchandise at your cost, and then you sit back, oh, I have sold my goods, I will get my orders again. No, you will get your orders again when he sells and he comes back to you. Yes, Ajay.
In making that very sentence sound differently, the two players in the relay have to be of equal strength and equal size to one who's giving the baton and the one who's taking the baton.
Yeah, that's a basic.
Handing over the shipment, or when you are giving him, then you need to also think about whether the other person is capable to take it, and whether he has the ability to receive and do it. So you know,
yeah, well played. This is exactly what we are saying. Team SWOT analysis. Am I capable of being the team? Is he capable of being the team? Because ultimate goal is to win the relay race. So you will be able to point out either your weakness, ki, sir, please don't take me in the team. If I am here, we might not win the race. Or maybe this guy is weak, he doesn't have the team player sense, we might not win the race. So definitely this is a point taken, that SWOT analysis of individual strength and the team, where you are matching the as you rightly said, Ajay, ki देखना पड़ेगा ना बायर कौन है, बड़ा है, छोटा है, मैं कहाँ हूँ, कैसे हूँ. Ultimately the idea is, if the product it doesn't sell, whole thing falls apart. Yes, Ishank.
Yes, sir. I think we have to do SWOT analysis much before we are grabbing a buyer or do something business with the buyer, I guess.
Of course, SWOT analysis will be done at every stage. Every stage, not only once.
Yeah. Because doing business with someone, we don't know much about it, and we are starting a business, and then we got some losses from that, and even we can't recover, or maybe not entertained by the buyer itself. So it's not a good thing, I guess, after we realize that. So we have to do much before that particular SWOT analysis. Initially,
all the strategies, of course, this is what we're doing now. Before these start to happen, that's exactly what we're doing now. SWOT analysis. Okay, what do we have to do? What are my action plans? Where do I need to focus on energies and create strategies and action plans? That is how Piyush reach out to the buyer. When the things are going back to normal, when you are opening your shop, what can I do for you? And this is my limitation. You can't ask me for free goods, right? If there is a chance I can give you, I definitely will give you. So you have to be very open in your transaction now. Do not think of a shortcut that no, I have to make profits. I have to make money from these transactions. For the next 6 months, do not think of profits. Think of running the operations. Yes, Piyush.
The idea should not be unit profitabilities at the moment. It should be, and we are working towards it. It should be more about market capitalization as well. If you capitalize the market as of today with the kind of business practices that we adopt today, a unit profitability will eventually come in at a later stage.
Exactly.
But if you lose the market today, then it becomes a problem for future as well.
It's like cutting your hen and not thinking of long-term eggs. You can't do that. It's your choice. But it's ultimately, this is something as a business decision you guys will be taking of your own business. We don't know. So we can only generalize, and we can generalize based on our experience. I am talking to my customers. I know that I will have no business for the next 1 year, but that doesn't stop me to even convey and reach out to him. He is a New Yorker. 3 of them, all the partners are New Yorker. I'm counting my days that I do not get a bad news. With 11,000 people in a small city like New York have died. It's good that my buyers are smart and they're not dumb enough. I have certain buyers, a Houston buyer. She's dumb, actually, I would say. She is still thinking, can I open my shop? Oh, we will fight this together. We are all retailers are fighting and we will open the store. I said, are you mad? Is this a way to fight this issue? And you're saying the state is to blame, that they're why they're not asking us to open the shop? How will we eat? Guys, this is your life. Please save your life first. So there are a lot of people. So I did not have to put any effort in that New Yorker buyer, because they're all smart enough. They were in lockdown since March 13th. He is sending videos and his Facebook page, and we are all following. So I had to spend more time on the Houston buyer just to make sure that she doesn't get affected. Because if she gets affected, my certain business will be getting affected. So this was a SWOT analysis. This was a team relay race strategy I am actually doing with my customers. Even Timur would be witnessing this. I asked Timur not to come from March 12th. I sent him back at 10 a.m. on that day from office. He's coming from Noida, wherein there was no lockdown. Lockdown happened almost after 10 days. I said, Timur, you do not have to go anywhere. We cancelled our inspections on, I think, March 18th and 19th in Moradabad. I do not want to take a risk that Timur is driving and we in the train going to factories, and then he comes back, and after 14 days of that part, oh, you got infected in Moradabad. So I said, no matter what, we have our online inspections. We did the last few inspections, we did online. We trusted our partners, our factories, and we told the buyer as well, I will not do the inspection. If you want the goods, it's a risk. We have to put it on the factories. So you have to be also looking at these strategies and being a smart player as a business owner. How do I assess things coming up? Oh, there is a saying, if you cannot learn from the mistakes of others, then you cannot learn from anyone else. So guys, I throw open the platform for now, networking, discussions, anything you should not to do, breakout rooms, anything you should be talking about. This is the opportunity of speaking to each other, asking and giving.
I am just throwing open that question again about domestic opportunities. If someone has an idea that how we can explore the domestic market. See, the two ideas that I can think of is projects and hotels, because but of course everything will get open and will become clear only once the lockdown kind of is lifted. But apart from that, if anyone has an idea as to how we can approach them as of today, please do share.
Anybody would like to say something? Ajay, you have a lot of experience in retailing. What are you doing here? I'm not participating in the whole meeting.
have much of experience in domestic market. So that
But you
would
have a
be-
US experience of retail that will be always helpful to the person who's starting in domestic in India.
I can share US experience if that helps.
Of course.
And I can go into a break room with
And
Piyush
because Piyush is a high-end glass manufacturer, and you also are always working with high-end designer buyers, it perfect. So breakout room will happen at 1 o'clock, not now.
So I can do that at 1 o'clock with him if he needs to.
Yeah.
Or one-on-one, he can call me and we can just go over it as to what I think and what I can think of in that sense. That's
I
no
would
problem.
appreciate to do it in breakout room rather than just taking it offline.
Okay.
Because this is a skill. Again, I will tell you, this is a skill we are now adapting to. We need to have these skills imbibed when we are going out to do business in 2021. Because these things will be part of your business transactions now. Buyers will be asking you to come in the Zoom room with your sample. I have your sample, I have your sample, and you have your sample. Let's talk about it in the room. Now, room means a virtual room now. Room doesn't mean that I'm coming to your factory and let's discuss sample.
True.
Let's
true.
train ourselves with these platforms like our platform to get this training now. You are now among the friends. We are a team as a relay race. So let's practice. As in the relay race, we say.
So like I said, I can do a break room discussion with him. And
Thank you very much. Anybody else? Mayank, Naveen, anything you want to say? Anything you want to ask? Any doubts? Any concerns you have? We are on the other side. We are a buyers council. We might have different perspective on the things to happen.
I have a little bit of concern. I mean, I would like to just share on the export market. I'm not sure because our product is a little bit of seasonal product. They used to sell our product in the summers, and I think probably with everybody there is used to be a different kind of designs for the summers and for the winters as well. I don't know if it is the right time I could ask you this question, but the question is, since the goods have been shipped in December or January, so they would have already reached, or they would be reaching now, and the stores are already closed. Some of them are open, most of them are closed. So shall we prepare for the winters or shall we prepare for the summers for the next season? And what do you think, the buyers will be selling their goods which are in their warehouse first of all, so they'll be selling the summer designs for the winter season, or the other way, they'll wait for a year for the summer design to sell in the summer next year, and then for the winters they'll make a new order, but which I don't think would be a good idea, because since there is a lot of cash crunch these days for the buyers as well.
Piyush wants to answer before anybody else wants to answer.
So this is the feedback that I've got from the buyers. They are delaying their launch. So if they're delaying their product launches, the autumn launch, which was supposed to happen, say in August, they've shifted it to October as of right now. So maybe if you're as your product is seasonal, what you can do is what I think is that think about the winter product. Your winter sales are ready as of right now. That's my feedback to you.
But don't you think the colors which sells in summers will also sell in autumn or in winters? I mean,
like I said, the autumn and winter may have the same colors, but then summer and spring kind of has the same color, and autumn and winter will have different colors. But that's how we work in glass as well. So
thank you. Ajay
had a take on it.
Yeah, so my take is a very different take, Mike. I would first like to challenge you. Why is your product seasonal? Who says it is seasonal? Are you telling me that I should not use my chatai to use in winters? I mean, that whole thing. First take, first challenge. The second challenge I'm putting it across is my customer, high end, and for example, I would say that I'm trying to sell it to Armani, or I'm trying to sell it to the Gucci's of the world, and I want to sell the chatai. So now make that chatai cool, and make it cool enough to say that, yeah, it's a cool product. Where and why are you not working on making it a cool product? So, those are the 2 points that I would like to say, that things that you need to sit back and think, which you have time now, nothing much to do. So why not think and plan for it, make a specific small line, small presentation, which you can show to me for my higher end customer, and I can entice him. I don't know whether I will be able to sell it or not, but I will love to entice him. कि ये जो तुम Walmart में $1 की चीज देखते थे, instead of that, I have this, which is like a $21 item, and hey, and he's interested. I would love to do that to him. फर्क कोई नहीं है, लेदर वो भी बेच रहा है, लेदर वहां भी बिक रहा है, लेकिन उसको इट इज ऑल अबाउट कि वो लुई विटॉन लिख दिया तो वो लुई विटॉन दिख रहा है. नहीं तो सूटकेस तो मैंने भी खरीदा था, ठीक है ना, और मेरी वाइफ को चाहिए तो उसको तो फिर लुई विटॉन ही चाहिए, अब मैं क्या करूं, ठीक है ना. बट हमारे लिए तो सूटकेस है, वो सूटकेस का काम कर रहा है, बट इट इज मोर अबाउट हाउ यू प्रेजेंट इट. सो व्हाई
stand corrected.
Cool. And again, I'm saying this is the time you will find many designers also sitting idle, doing nothing much, able to collaborate. And we have a design platform in our federation where we can actually help you, guide you to move into that direction. And you could actually use some of those designers' help to actually work on making a cool looking product and make a limited line product. So that is a take and a challenge which I'm giving you. And I'm saying once you're ready with that challenge, yes, I'm sharing my details. Please do call on me. Please do write to me, and please do show me that lane my product. Because वो मैं जो आप बना रहे हो वो probably, I'm sorry, maybe मेरे पास उसका customer आज नहीं है.
Ajay, I would advise you, if you're coming back at 8 p.m. to sit down with Ajay or anybody else and broom on this idea more. We are creating the breakout rooms so that you are engaging and you're actually investing time on new business now. So Mayank, perfect example of how you can take advantage of the platform. Stay from 8 to 9 for more learnings. And before you, today I'll be making a template of how you do introduction. And in the introduction, you should say that at the end of the day, this is my ask, that I would like to meet people on this subject to get more ideas on how do I do it. So you have 10 minutes or 15 minutes, only hardly 10 minutes or 15 minutes are needed to have those advices done.
So guys, I'm not completely done yet. So I just covered the first part of the take. Second part of the question that you raised, Mayank, was in regard to actually understanding of how do you connect and how do you make more sales happen. So, I'm just saying, again, as of now, autumn market is gone. Christmas will be an impulse buying market because logon ke
Ajay, can I interrupt you, please?
Yes, please.
That is exactly what I'm trying to say. Please share those areas of learning and experiences in the 10-minute breakout room. We have a time limit of 1 o'clock. I need to say something.
Acha, bolo ji, bolo. Complete karo.
Meanwhile, you can actually create more points for a discussion. So guys, I've sent you 10 points on the chat. If you can, you should be saving the chat as well. You're giving you a Zoom. We are going to ask you for a Zoom tip of the day. Has anybody learned a new thing on Zoom, or shall we tell you exactly how we're doing it? Then breakout exercise at the end of the session, which we already covered. And there's a breakout happening between you and Piyush Ajay today. Recordings are available on request at the Federation. You have to write an email to the ideation desk and you will get the recording of the session. So that you can go back and again listen to it, maybe with your team, with your partners, with your friends. Okay, let us learn. We could not, because in an hour session or a 40-minute session, we must have gathered something, but as soon as you get out of here, you will forget something. Right? We have 2 sessions, 12 noon and 8 p.m. for all to join. 5 p.m. session is a closed door meeting of buying agents where we are working on strategies of business generation, business challenges, how we grow. So that not only helps the buying agents, I will have to insist upon it to think of us as your partner who will be bringing a business, not as a buying agent. As you all know, we are not manufacturers. So if I am bringing a customer, if I am bringing a lead, I'm bringing an opportunity, there is an exporter to be benefited. And if I can help buying agents grow by bringing them to a 5 p.m. meeting, I'm asking my buying agent friends to go in the 5 p.m. meeting and learn something to grow business. Mayank, Naveen, Piyush, you guys are all exporters. That's going to benefit you guys.
Yes.
So that is a very strong message I'm giving you. Reach out to all buying agents and tell them, we have learned something as an exporter. You need to learn at the 5 p.m. meeting, which is the closed door meeting of buying agents. Sign up at the BTS, give an introduction, you get a code for the meeting and be in the room. In the next few weeks, a few days, we are already discussing critical issues of cancellations. So we can invest those times of different people to actually help the exporters, right? How are we going to manage the cancelled order we just covered? We are going to have various sessions among buying agents, and then we will be showing the discussion on the exporter side as well with our solutions. Please follow the protocol and benefit of others. No more than 30 seconds per member. That's the introduction part. We're going to cover that part from next meeting onwards. Very importantly, your association. If you are aligned to an association, you have been paying a member fee, just like every citizen in India has a right over certain issues because we are taxpayers. Similarly, if you are an association member, you have been paying your fee. Exercise your rights now. Engage your leadership team. That what are you doing? Can we have something to have a strategy on surviving my business? Leave apart all those things of damages and what happens and this and that. What is the action plan as an association you are creating? If you are creating it, can we discuss this with fellow associations of buying agents or other exporters? Can we draw some room strategies? Can we meet on webinars? This is the message you need to take to your leadership. If they're true leaders, they will never say no to solutions provided by other people to survive and thrive in this business. And if you find any value, if you have found the value of this session, please share with others to bring them here. As we discussed with Piyush in the initial meeting, I opened the room at 15 minutes before the session. So we have a lot of good networking happening. If you thought that the collective sharing was very important, there would be certain things which we might learn from each other when we are before the meeting we are staying back. So please come back and share this with your friends of exporters. Ishank is an employee. They could be senior manager people. Timir is my manager. He's also listening. These skills are needed to survive the entire supply chain management by everyone now. You cannot do it alone. So if you learn something, that doesn't mean that the whole team is learning now. Somewhere, if you feel that yes, some of my managers should come talk about quality or talk about stock management, talk about anything else, and there is no risk of any business damage to happen, or your other exporter friends, come on guys, we have a common problem. Let's talk to this community who's here with solutions. We are providing solutions to you. Factories to showcase business to global audience. Book your slot in the webinar with going live. Yeah, with live FBA is just okay. We have Sunday meeting done. We are already working on that platform. We haven't verified the platform. We are still exploring. So we would like to explore together with the people who have to actually put the product there. The Sunday evening slot for Global Box is a new e-commerce site, and this is where we are driving the conversation. Please do not think that this is something which we are promoting or this is something which we are verified. We are opening doors to anyone who's saying, guys, I have an idea how you should thrive and how you should grow a business. Please come to the room. I will do my critical analysis as a buying agent, but as an exporter, I would like you to participate and look at challenges you can face when you are, because you will be the person who will be putting the product and selling. So what challenges you might be able to face, so that when we have this discussion happening and this Global Box guy from Vancouver is presenting a beyond Amazon, Google of e-commerce website, which he claims, let us find loopholes and things to improve. We will not discount an effort made by a person who spent millions of dollars and 5 years in making. So there must be something good that he's promoting. Can it be utilized for us in our business? And with small changes maybe, which we might, because he's a guy who created this, but we are the people who are going to use this. So when the content is on the platform for churning, I would say, so let's churn and let's remove the poison and only take the what do you call English in Amrit? I don't know. Sorry.
What are you saying?
Oh, Hannah, there's a
Let's keep it Amrit.
Hindi Prabhav, that when you do a manthan, there is poison and
Nectar.
Comes with the packets.
nectar.
Piyush
So
is also the same thing.
Sorry?
Piyush is also the same thing.
Piyush, okay.
Yeah.
So let's take out Piyush for the benefit of each and try and remove the nectar from the system. That if these things, and we have many good suggestions from us as buying agents working. We have been very closely working with Global Box guy. Every day we are trying to look for things to improve. So that is my chance. And this is an opportunity for you to actually sell global, domestic, B2C, B2B. All 4 quadrants are covered in the website, in the platform. So I'm very hopeful of improving that website for our use. Lastly, what we are doing right now here is we are creating federation as your stepping stone to go back to business, thrive in the business. There's a flood going on. This is the flood equation I've always been telling in my session. Please save your life right now. Do not think of your home, belongings, passport, money, factory, machine. This is not your life. Your life is what you, if you are able to have your breath. Please stay in lockdown. Do not think of venturing out and moving around in friends or whatever. Save your life first. We are here for you as federation, as a stepping stone, that when the flood is over, when there is so much of chaos outside in the room, you need those stepping stones to move around, to reach your factory, to reach your goals. And that's exactly what we're doing, sitting here every day ever since March 22nd, and probably till May end we need to do this. And after that, maybe we will open the doors once a week or twice a week to bring knowledge and sharing and networking, and buying agents can come in. A lot of speed networking will happen. We're going to have breakout rooms where we will be inviting buying agent and exporter in one room. Okay, today there is a rooster. These are the 5 or 10 or 15 buying agents have actually registered here to meet exporters, and this is the category they wanting to talk about. So the exporters can also choose. Okay, I would like to speak to Sandhya ma'am. I would like to speak to Ajay ji. I would like to speak to Lokesh. So we break out, or Kapil from Panipat. So we break out in the room for a speed networking session of 10 minutes each. You come back and then you go into a different room. These are now new technology. This is the now new of the business to do. And we are very, very happy and very, very strong. We are capable now of doing it right now from here on. But let us first address the issues of all those chaos and problem we are having at factory. Today I'm closing now here. It's already 5 minutes. That's why I was saying it needs 10 minutes for us to close and tell everybody what are we doing. I will now break out the room with Piyush and Ajay.
Right, Lokesh ji, I take a leave.
Okay.
Thank
okay,
you.
Naveen.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye to all.
Bye bye. I
Bye.
have to see how do I break out the rooms. You can save the chat before you leave.
Okay.
Everybody, yeah, so that you this is something which you need to take reference from.
Okay.
Okay. I don't see breakout rooms.
I think everybody can leave the room and he can be there. That is
I
enough.
think so. That makes sense, because if I know there is no other room to open, the why don't you guys chat here only? I will make
Okay.
Ajay the co-host so that I can leave and work on my other things. Okay. I'm making Ajay the co-host so that you can stay back, and Piyush, you can stay back. Ajay, you have to say yes to co-hosting.
कहाँ है?
Thank you. everyone.
Now Ajay is a host now. Okay. All right, guys. All right. Thank you, Shank. Thank you, Mayank.
तो कैसे पता चलता है? I'm the host.
Thank you.
आपको कंट्रोल आ गए सब, देखो आप
अच्छा.
आप लैपटॉप पे हो ना?
हाँ.
So on the laptop, control panels will actually move up when you take your mouse at the very bottom.
हाँ, I'm looking at it, but उसमें one participant can share.
So maybe when I leave, then you will get the rights. Let me leave.
You want to leave? Okay.
Yeah, I can stay back. I can work on while I'm talking. We guys can sit here only. That's fine.
हाँ, और क्या?
Yes, Piyush. Now you should talk.
Okay, so my concern was primarily regarding domestic. I've tried to approach hotels and I've tried to approach projects as well, but while only a few are receptive, not everyone's receptive to the idea. Either it's a trust issue or maybe they want someone who they know in the middle. How does one approach them? If you have say a feedback or a tip that you can provide as to approach these hotels and projects, because that's where you can get a quantity and quality. They will require quality and you can supply quantity. So that's one.
Most hotels, if you are talking about hotels and projects, are two different things, but let me say most hotels will have a hospitality procurement team, which will never be one person, because of the due diligence and corruption issues. So they will never have one person team. So procurement team hogi. And that team will always be dependent on certain number of approved vendors.
Correct.
So it is a system that they put in place, and I'm talking to you from even an India experience. I would say मैंने Oberoi के साथ काम किया था. At that point with Oberoi also, I had the same thing that they had a team in place, and their team will take care of it. अब उसके अंदर that team, procurement team, will be dependent on the approved vendors to present the product. Now those vendors are not manufacturers.
Okay.
Those vendors are 99% times they are traders or designers. They will approve a designer, and then the designer will bring in a variety of different products to show कि मैं ये बनाऊंगी. I am thinking of Diwali के लिए ये theme होना चाहिए, and this is my theme and this is my presentation. And they will do a Diwali presentation कि this is how we will do the hotel differently in this month. And they will not depend on one person. They will actually take it to 2 or 3 different design houses, and they will be the ones. Those vendors will give the approvals, and those vendors will then service out the order and get the product and then supply it to the hotel.
Got it.
Now these designers or interior decorators, as they are called in the industry, आपको interior decorator से tie up करना पड़ेगा. Again, understand कि most hotels are looking at international clientele.
Correct.
So some of them, like Taj, has this interior decorator team which is in-house, और वो in-house team के साथ काम करेगा. So they may work with a direct procurement or a direct buying. ठीक है ना? Because Taj is one which is a different group. And when you're talking to Taj, they will have a procurement team which is in-house, and they will be the ones who will be taking the decision, and they will be buying it out straight and putting up their own display.
So, so that's exactly what happened with Taj. They directly contacted us, and we kind of for one of their properties, and the person who owns the property got in touch with us, and we kind of provided the supply to him.
Yeah, so Taj is a very different game plan. Like I said, you know, Taj की procurement team तो आपको इस fair में भी घूमती हुई दिख जाएगी Delhi fair के अंदर. Their team will be out there buying things, small tie-ups with people, जिसके साथ बात बन गई. And I'm surprised AM Glass की तो बहुत पुरानी बातचीत है इस चीज के ऊपर. If I'm not wrong, you are the same AM Glass, Ajay ji.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Yes, he's the same AM Glass.
Mahesh ji and ASG. So you are the son of whom, or you are the Ajay, you're son of Ajay. Okay, fine, great. Welcome. So, you know, they know me and they understand. We had actually at one time helped you guys to even work with a hospitality project. I don't remember kitna time purana hua tha, but at that point we were in touch with Hyatt Regency, and हमने Hyatt का एक पूरा project presentation आप लोगों से लेके दिया था, because so we were using you and you were coming in for a display for Bombay company at Hyatt at that time, और Hyatt में display लगा हुआ था, and the Hyatt procurement team का head आया नीचे, उसने देखा, and he talked to us saying, you know, I'm interested in similar products. I don't get these access. So we'll give you an access. And at that time, हमने बात कराई थी. So, you know, usually what happens is the procurement team does not decide कि procurement कहाँ से होनी है, but they can recommend. They can recommend you to the interior decorator. They can recommend you to the designer who's involved. And like I said, you know, mostly their clientele is all international. So they will be tied up with some interior designer जिसका outlook international hoga. So Singapore is a great place.
Okay.
So most of these designers are sitting in Singapore. They will come inside, they will come for a small take, and they will design the hotel, plan it for the next next quarter ki planning ye hai, and they will go back. And then they will hire another designer and they will send him to India, and he will design it for the next quarter ki hotel ka layout aisa lagna chahiye, hotel aisa fresh lagna chahiye dekhne mein. Even the flower arrangements will be decided in that sense, and then they will go out. So yes, they will be happy to coordinate, and you have the right product for them, but you will have to coordinate with these design houses.
Okay. Any inkling or any idea as to if you have any, say, contacts for a designer?
Arun Vadera is a good designer. He's based out of Defense Colony.
Sorry, come again.
Sorry?
The name?
Vadera.
Tarun?
Vadera.
Okay.
It's a huge place. When you get to Defense Colony, aap naam daloge to you will even get to that. Google will show you exactly where you need to go.
Okay.
You can meet the father. He doesn't get involved in the business that much now, and it is all run by his team. But you can talk to the father, you can talk to the son, you can say that I'm ready to collaborate, whatever level. Don't stoop down ki main to credit pe bhi de dunga. Don't go there, but you know, offer them good product and business terms aap dekh lo. But he's a good guy and dead honest, and they will be very happy to collaborate, and they will challenge you with different projects.
Sure.
They work with French hotels also, and they have a very good networking internationally also. They take up Singaporean projects, French projects, and they have projects in India happening all the time. So they will even challenge you to make, which I remember Ajay ji or telling me कि आप तो मुझे कोई challenge दो कुछ बनाने के लिए, you know, some shape, some design. So, you know, I always respect you guys for that. So वो तो, this is the place where you need to go. They will happily do it. And next market for you is to actually start looking at all the design houses in Singapore.
Okay.
The nearest place where you will find that. Probably other than Singapore, I would say that you need to look for American designers.
Global market.
Global market. You will not look. See, जो client अभी okay. So I will tell you differently. Hyatt Regency, Marriott, Westin, they are all part of the Starwood Properties. When I talk about Starwood Properties, they have their own office, which is called Procurement Office Global in Gurgaon. And वो जो होटल में बैठा है वो तो he is just trying to make brownie points by saying हाँ मैं कुछ करता हूँ आपके लिए, कुछ सोचता हूँ आपके लिए, पर वो कुछ सोचेगा नहीं क्योंकि उसके हाथ में कुछ है ही नहीं. He just cannot, he doesn't have the brain to think, he doesn't have the power to think. So the right person is the Starwood Hotel की जो procurement office है गुड़गांव में. But to do a presentation with them, थोड़े से पैर घिसने पड़ेंगे, थोड़ी बार फोन पे cold calling करनी पड़ेगी, and then you will get back, because I left that business. I was in that business, I left that business, now I'm doing something else. But you need to do it, then you should go and get in touch with them at that level.
Yeah, this information is helpful enough.
Yeah, so they will put you in touch with them designer. Now I am working with Starwood International Division, which is based out of New York.
Okay.
And I do from there, White Plains में उनका office है, and I go there often and I do the entire project. So I take an entire project in the sense that they will give me a complete room setting to do, and I have to put the sofa in the room, I have to put the carpet in the room, I have to put the bed in the room. So this is the entire room that I have to design.
Okay.
With them. So now I am in touch with a designer who's based out of New York. She will help me put the entire design together. I will get her the carpet. I will get her what India does good. And then I will finance her trip to China.
Okay.
For her to go and buy what she can buy from China, which China is good at.
Okay.
You know, so it is like a group thing which I do with her collaboratively. So उसका इंडिया वर्क तो मैं वैसे ही फंड कर रहा हूँ, पर उसका इंटरनेशनल बिजनेस भी मैं फंड कर रहा हूँ, so that I can take the entire project. When I get the entire room, so I get the entire thing to do. Now I have done the Aloft Hotel in Montreal this way. I have done the Aloft Hotel in Tempe. If you go to Tempe and you see the hotel, it is done very industrial hotel की तरह बनाया उसको. It has all the जैसे आप जोधपुर का माल देखोगे, all furniture that way. So it is all done very tastefully, but it's done in the industrial way. Okay. Very different in take. And then I did the Montreal hotel. It was very different in take. Other than that, I have done what even I from Firozabad, I have taken chandeliers, huge chandeliers without wiring, and given it to New York for wiring and everything, and then brought it back to them.
Okay.
So you know, it is doable thing. It is very much possible, but the right person is not the hotel. Our hotel business के लिए जाना है, the right person is the designer, interior decorator. They will be the people who will put you in touch.
That's very helpful. I mean, until now I was only approaching hotels specifically, and the purchase manager.
You are on the right subject, but on the wrong track. एक place है by the name of Casa Paradox.
Okay.
It is again MG1 में based है.
Okay.
And Casa Paradox का the lady owner, मैं नाम भूल गया शायद, सुजैन गुजराल.
मैं पीयूष आपको कुछ ग्लोबल मार्केट्स यहीं से बैठ के कैसे करोगे उस पर टिप दे दूंगा. पहले अजय से ले लो जितना ले सकते हो. बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट इन्फॉर्मेशन दे रहे हैं वो.
जी.
I think
so you can go to Gujarat. You can go. She's a very finicky lady. वो trust नहीं करती है किसी पे. उसका trust issue बहुत बड़ा है. Designers के सबसे बड़ा issue यही है. They will always have that feeling कि you know मेरा design लेके भाग जाएंगे, मुझे तो कुछ मिलेगा नहीं, सबको पैसे मिलेंगे. And then again there is a big mindset problem which I don't think so I have seen in AM Glass, but in others I have seen it. उन सबको ये दिखता है कि दूसरी की थाली में कितने पैसे हैं. You know, most Muradabad factories will actually get stupidly कि वो कितना कमा रहा है और मेरे को क्या मिल रहा है. मेरी आइटम की 100 कीमत थी और उसने तो 1000 की बेच दी, तो वो तो 900 रुपए कमा गया मेरे पे. उसको ये दिख रहा है कि वो 900, तेरे को तो तेरे पूरे पैसे मिले, 100 रुपए, तू अपनी बात कर. वो नहीं दिखेगा, वहां नहीं दिमाग चलता.
Yes, sir,
Right.
as long as I get my costing covered, that's fine.
That's what I'm saying. As long as you are true to your game,
Yeah.
don't worry about what Casa Paradox is selling it at.
Doesn't matter.
You could look at a Casa Paradox item and say कि ये item जो आप 2 लाख रुपए की बेच रहे हो, ये मैं तो आपको 200 रुपए में बना के दे सकता हूँ. She is not going to do business with you.
Correct.
She's not. But you look at that 2 lakh ka item and you say कि madam, give me a chance. I will do a better quality job than what you are looking at. And I will also after sale service की वो टूट गया ना तो मैं replace भी करके दूंगा आपको. So she'll be happy to work with you. आप 200 के 2000 रुपए ले लेना, पर उसको आप क्या कह रहे हो? Free replacement है मैडम. And that is how I do my business. मैं अपने कस्टमर को ये नहीं बोलता हूँ कि मैं तेरे को पैसे में ठीक करके दूंगा. मैं तो उसको बोलता हूँ तेरे को free replacement मिलेगी.
Giving you macro level, sorry to interrupt you, Ajay. Giving you telescopic level, Piyush, this business is not about selling products. This business is about selling services.
Absolutely. When you're talking about a hotel business, you have to understand कि hospitality का word ही सिर्फ total services में ही है. And they will look at you कि आप सर्विस करोगे कि नहीं करोगे मेरे को. आप करोगे नहीं तो मैं आपसे काम कराऊंगा नहीं.
मैं दिल जीतने आया हूँ, मैं दिमाग से काम नहीं करूंगा.
एक AM के नाम से एक फैक्ट्री और है दिल्ली में, अगर आप जानते हो, जो कि कटलरी बनाती है.
नहीं, I haven't heard of it.
Okay, so look for it. It is अब तो मैं भी भूल गया नाम लोगों के. I'm sorry, but his name was again Ajay Dargar. Ajay Dargar था उसका owner. One of the sons, father had started the company, and there were 2 brothers. 18 micron cutlery, silver plated.
Yeah.
Would you believe it? हम Oberoi को supply करते थे. They were the first ones to supply 18 carat from India. उससे पहले सारी कटलरी जर्मनी जाती थी और जर्मनी से प्लेट होकर इंडिया वापस आती थी. And they started doing it right here in Okla. They had the factory, a small factory, and they took up the entire project and they did it for Oberoi. And Oberoi was so happy that they got the entire kitchen. Sorry, not the kitchen, but all the tableware refinished, redone from them. Oberoi hired a designer who was sitting in Singapore, who would come and spend in their factory 3 months, 4 months at a stretch, designing next year product line for Oberoi, जिसके बनाने सिर्फ उन्होंने 20 पीस थे और 10 पीस थे. जिसकी प्राइसिंग इस तरह से होती थी कि जी वो 10,000 की टोटल कटलरी का सेट बनाया है, 50,000 का कटलरी का सेट बनाया, दैट टाइप्स. एंड आई एम टॉकिंग कटलरी फॉर 1 पर्सन. अभी उसके अंदर मल्टीपल्स बनेंगे, वो तो अलग बात है, लेकिन मैं कह रहा हूँ कि 1 पर्सन की कटलरी का सेट बनता था जिसमें एक प्लेट लगती थी, चार्जर प्लेट लगती है, उसकी कटलरी रखी जाती है चारों तरफ, और उसके साथ के जो छोटे मोटे और डिशेस लगती हैं सारी, कटोरियां, बाउल्स, एवरीथिंग. सो 1 पर्सन का जो एक सेट बनता है, नाउ मल्टीप्लाई इट इनटू नंबर ऑफ पीपल दैट दे रिक्वायर इन द Oberoi होटल. सो that is how the business can turn around and get into your favor if you do it right.
So the idea is to always also provide warranty on your product, right? Like stand by your product. Don't just sell it and then vanish.
Yes. See, the whole thing about the hotel business and the way I look at it, even in the furniture business.
It's a marriage. It's a marriage. You cannot.
It's a long-term marriage. आपने गाड़ी खरीदी है तो आप गाड़ी में आप Fiat की गाड़ी नहीं खरीदोगे और आप रेनॉल्ट की गाड़ी नहीं खरीदोगे, लेकिन आप एक मारुति खरीद लेके तैयार हो गए. क्यों? क्योंकि मारुति आपको आफ्टर सेल सर्विस की गारंटी दे रही है, बिना बोले मुंह से गारंटी मिल रही है. लेकिन फिएट में नहीं मिल रही ना, तो इसलिए लोग फिएट नहीं खरीद रहे हैं. ऑल्दो फिएट का इंजन अच्छा है, फिएट की गाड़ी स्टर्डी ज्यादा है, खराब नहीं होगी जल्दी, सब पता है सबको, लेकिन कोई नहीं खरीद रहा. सब क्या खरीदने को तैयार है? वो दाइवू खरीदने को तैयार थे, ठीक है ना, जिसकी आफ्टर सेल सर्विस थी, अच्छा खासा सब कुछ ठीक ठाक चल रहा था. So it is all about how much of your after sale service is strong, and the whole industry is based on that. This is where I'm saying the investment, where I have even told Ajay ji where you are lacking big time is कि आपके फोन करने के बाद ना 15 बार फोन, उसके बाद जाके फोन उठता था, because वो communication weak है, communication easy नहीं हो रही है, availability नहीं हो रही है. तो ये फिरोजाबाद की एक जनरल प्रॉब्लम है, और ये कहो कि माइंडसेट प्रॉब्लम है, और हम लोगों को ये प्रॉब्लम याद है. So the reason why business is not growing in that sector. Change that attitude. Put a person here in Delhi. Put a girl.
Exactly my point. You need to be more in Delhi.
एक लड़की रखो, वो भी होटल इंडस्ट्री से पकड़ो, वो होटल में जाके बात करने की समझ रखती होगी, and she will go and talk to them.
Got
and
it.
she will be the one who will go and get the names and numbers of कि सर आपके कौन से supply chain के अंदर vendors हैं.
और एक दिन अपना भी असाइन करो, सॉरी टू इंटरप्ट यू अजय, एक दिन अपना असाइन करो दिल्ली आने के लिए, बिकॉज बिजनेस लाइज इन दिल्ली एंड देन अदर सिटीज एज वेल. तो दिल्ली तक तो आओ कम से कम.
Sir, nahin, so we do venture to Delhi at least thrice in a month.
No, as a focus
Thrice a month.
that every day, every week, one day.
Do you remember? Do you know? I do business in Jodhpur and Muradabad. मेरा क्या frequency होगी? Guess in going
हाँ,
to.
ask him.
I do business in Jodhpur and I am in Jodhpur 4 days on a minimum twice a month, which means practically every week I am there for a day.
Exactly.
8 days तो मैं वहीं हूँ.
और ये पर्सनल बिजनेस है. सॉरी अजय इंटरप्टिंग यू. पीयूष, दिस इज अ वेरी पर्सनलाइज्ड बिजनेस. It cannot happen over sitting in the factory and talking to people, sending photo offers.
No. You can do it. You can manage it at that level also, but then you need to have a dedicated team underneath you, which is equally
interaction. I mean, say interaction has to be there.
वो रिले वाली बात है. वो रिले आपकी कितनी स्ट्रांग है, वो आपको आपके ऊपर है. आप कितनी स्ट्रांग टीम खड़ी करते हो. You are strong in product. I remember you guys having designers coming to your office and living in your factory.
Still are.
Still they come. Still they do it.
Yeah.
And what do you do with them?
So we kind of brainstorm with them on the, first of all, feasibility is always a question with designers. But uske baad we kind of sit with them. There are about 7 days. They sit there for about 10 days, understand the process, and then we work on designs together. And then we kind of give them our feedback once we've produced a design, and we show it to them as to what's the maximum we can achieve of their design.
How many months are they still staying in with you?
So the thing is, in about, not months, it's not a matter of months. So we have about 3 designers every year. Last year we had about 3 designers, and 2 of them stayed for about 2 weeks, and one stayed up for about a week.
And they stayed at home or stayed where?
They were staying in a hotel in Firozabad.
In Firozabad. So this is where I'm saying that you need to bring it to the old level. Where I remember very well कि Ajay ji would actually call them in, have them stay with them for a month, 2 months, अपना design अपने सामने बनवाओ और अपने आप करवाओ. In between that whole process, they will go out for a trip or somewhere else, and have some spiritual time, fun time, go here, go there. This is where I'm saying, give them 4 days of relaxation, give them 1 day of working in a hotel in Delhi, and they will do the presentation for you on the day they are going out or they are coming in. You are the person who's managing the show. Director हो picture के, नाम सबसे last में आएगा आपका. Right? अमिताभ बच्चन बनने की जरूरत नहीं है. Right? So when you're not wanting to be the Amitabh Bachchan, you want to be director, then be the director. Be the one who's running the show. Let her be the director, Amitabh Bachchan of the picture. उसको बनने दो अमिताभ बच्चन, उसको बनाओ अमिताभ बच्चन. नहीं भी बनना चाहती है तो बनाओ. बोलो मेरी तो गला खराब है. आज मेरा गला खराब हो गया, आज तो तू ही बोलेगी. Give her the chance to speak and put the words in her mouth.
Great leaders.
Delegate, more than leaders, delegate. Put the action in their mouth. कि भैया वो डायरेक्टर ने बताना है ना कि कैसे एक्शन करना है. अमिताभ बच्चन जितना मर्जी अपनी तरफ से खड़ा हो जाए कि मैं लेफ्ट से राइट पे खड़ा होऊंगा, वो डायरेक्टर उसको पास ही नहीं करेगा. कट एक्शन. अरे मेरी मतलब का नहीं हुआ. And the old directors were like that. They will not adjust to the new character. तो सत्यजीत राय तो क्या था? He would beat you down. Old. You talk about Mrinal Sen, क्या है वो? He used to be ruthless with people. कि मैंने बोला है लेफ्ट से खड़ा होना है तो मतलब लेफ्ट से खड़ा होना है, और 2 कदम आगे बढ़ना है तो सिर्फ 2 ही कदम आगे बढ़ना है. मैं आगे बढ़ने ही नहीं दूंगा तेरे को. और you have to be very clear in your agenda on what you want. You have the opportunity, you have the ability. I can say that very much. Product wise, you are already there. Now it is only marketing side of it, and I can only guide you in that sense कि करना तो आप ही को पड़ेगा.
हाँ करना. So
करने से भी ज़्यादा you will have to create that team. I mean, I can understand. मैं खुद marketing में कई बार lack करता हूँ, but I find people who will go out and market it.
Frankly speaking, this time that we've got right now, इसलिए मैं इतना brainstorm कर भी पा रहा हूँ. नहीं तो when you're in the factory,
Exactly. This is a war room, strategy room time now.
You're just dealing with daily issues, solving those issues and coming back to the house.
Very true. So very true. It is
coming to adding to the Ajay point, and now your point observation. Please spend 1 hour when you going back to normalcy. Do not think of again firefighting.
Yeah.
Take up 1 hour of director role, and maybe 5 hours of Amitabh Bachchan action.
Got it.
नहीं वो करना पड़ेगा. You have to break the jobs among yourself also and put the trust out there.
Yeah.
by
At
putting
least
the-
1 hour every day should be director role. That I have telescopic view, चला गया जहाज के डेक पे और मैं दूर तक देख रहा हूँ कि आगे समुद्र में पानी कितना है, ज्वार आएगी नहीं आएगी, कैसे होगा. बाकी 5 घंटे जो है जहाज का शिप के नीचे जहाँ इंजन चलता है, कैप्टन वहां बैठता है. लेकिन 1 घंटे
No,
के लिए
guys,
शाम
I
को
will
जाता है वो.
leave. This is it. Let's close it here.
Thank
Yeah.
you. Thank you, Ajay.
I will.
Thank you,
Ajay, I
Lokesh.
have. Sorry, Piyush. I can give you 10 minutes if you want. I have certain
Sure.
different perspectives of how you do it.
Sure, Lokesh.
I
Okay,
should
Ajay,
get
thank
out.
you
I'm
so much.
leaving. Thanks. Bye, Piyush. Pleasure
Bye.
meeting you. Thank you.
Likewise.
Bye.
Bye.
I think Piyush, you already have a brand registry done, ना?
मैं अपनी मीटिंग छोड़ूंगा तो फिर आप हो जाओगे वापस.
हाँ जी,
Co-host?
हाँ जी, हाँ जी, हाँ हाँ हो जाऊंगा मैं.
Yeah, we have a brand registered. Yes.
So what has Ajay told you exactly is similar things. I will tell you how you do it,
Okay.
because he has told you the ways of and means and where the market lies and is certain rules you need to follow of interaction. It's a service based industry. It is not like selling a product and going to a different hotel and a different hotel. The purchase managers and the vendors to hotels are for lifelong. I have personal friends who are working with 5-star hotels for second generation now. And you can imagine the kind of competition people have. How are they sustaining a business? What is it that they're doing different that they're able to sustain a business for second generation, like 30, 35, 40 years now? So how much of you have learned of getting a service based business of selling products through a network?
So sorry, I didn't.
So as a referral, so it is a service based business of selling products,
Correct.
wherein your articulate manner, your service, your behavior, your after sales service is equally playing an important role to sell a product.
Yeah.
So how much of a networking and how much of a referral business have you been witnessing before? Have you witnessed anything happening? ये business जो आता है लोगों को hotel industry से institution, I would call it institutional buyers.
So
ये reference से कैसे आता है? ये आपको कभी आपने have you ever watched it or noticed it?
I haven't, because we haven't had the opportunity to serve more than one hotel. So we have only serviced one hotel until now, and that was Taj Rishikesh, and that was only through the owner of that property. Management company was Taj later, who came in later, but it was through the owner.
So he referred your business.
Correct.
He referred you to the
Like he came during the fair, he saw our products, he liked it.
If I can tell you to spend Tuesday morning 3 hours to witness how you will generate a business with 70 people, and among the 70 people there would be 6 or 7 people who are actually vendors to hotels for their own product and services, not competing with you.
Okay.
And they will be opening doors for you in those hotels, and you name the hotels, because once they are doing like a guy who's doing tiling in hotels, he is not your competition.
Sure.
But he has deep connects in the hotel now because he's serving them for years now.
Yeah.
And if you come on board as a team, that's exactly what I'm going to showcase on the Tuesday on 3-hour session 7 to 10. How this works, that a tile manufacturer or a tile supplier serving 12 or 15 different hotels for n number of years, making doors for you. Piyush, I've referred you, and let me put the purchase manager on con call with you, and now you should tell us how you can help the hotel with your products. And please come back for a meeting. If they think that yes, you are a good person, I'm forwarding you because I'm part of the team itself now as their vendor. Please come and showcase your product.
Okay.
So that's exactly what you will be able to notice is Tuesday.
It's the coming Tuesday?
It happens on every Tuesday.
Okay.
7 to 10 a.m.
Sir, I'll be more than happy to join. Please guide me with it.
It will be on webinar only. As of now, we're doing webinar, and we will be able to guide you how this happens, when the things are going to come out, how these meetings are there. One thing is for sure, if you're looking at a business in a domestic institutional, I would lock your Tuesday in Delhi every week after week.
Okay, sir. I'm game for it.
All right. I think your email address only. That was something which I wanted to do. And why are you not booking I do not see your name on the 8 p.m. slot.
Sir, that's no. As of right now, it's not. After this, I will put myself out there. And for the presentation, we have not booked our slot yet because we are finalizing our presentation. We need some time on it. We have
To
just
take time. So okay, I got it. You're a perfectionist. You are in high-end company, design oriented. I understand you need to showcase yourself as a very premium, and that's actually an online marketing tool we are going to give you. So I appreciate that part. But believe me, when you book a slot,
Yeah.
now you can book a slot for 2 weeks later on.
got it.
So that what will happen is when you book a slot, the team which is working on it, they will ask you for your picture and a company name, AM Glass Firozabad Piyush. That promo is going to create it. We don't want the very big content. It's a master class. We are going to give a new name to this, a factory showcase or a showroom visit, some a catchy name. That promotion will happen for next 2 weeks in our fraternity.
Got it.
So
Got
while
it.
you are preparing to give presentation, we are preparing to market you,
Got it, sir. Got it.
right? So
Yes,
all
sir.
we need is a good picture of you guys. If you both want to give two as a partners, you want 2 pictures, give us 2 pictures. Our designer will collate it to a showcase on the promo, small promo, which is going to spread across WhatsApp, LinkedIn, Facebook, social media, Instagram, Twitter. Everywhere is going to go there.
Okay.
We are going to create a mileage and audience when you're coming in 2 weeks. It's like movie in making,
Got it, sir.
but the promotion will start before the movie actually starts.
ठीक है, sir. समझ गया.
I hope you're getting it right.
No,
And
sir. I
then,
get it.
and the longer version, I think you must have heard me before. The longer drive or a profitability of that video, which is going to be streamed live on Facebook, is that is always being casted on the Federation page.
Okay.
When you meet new customers, even domestic, any potential client, tell them that, sir, if you want to know about me, I have been asked tough questions from these people who are purchase managers. So before you have any questions to me, I would love to watch this movie with you for an hour.
Got it, sir.
Instead of we wasting our time and you asking the same question to me, I will happy to answer your questions in a customized way as your business. But if you have time, and it's a 30-minute, not even an hour. It's just because the 30 minutes is the main core. We are going to leave it to you.
Yeah.
Where we will be asking you questions, you will be giving a presentation, and then first 15 minutes is just a chit chat introduction. Last 15 minutes is question answers. So
Got it.
between 30 minutes is the only thing which you need. So that becomes a whole of lifelong online marketing catalog. You're available on the Federation page, endorsed by the purchase manager community for AM Glass.
Got it, sir. Got it. So I'll
I
put
think
that
you
up.
got you got the idea of how
I'll
deep
put that up. Yes, sir. Got
how
it.
deep is of this is beneficial. All right.
So one thing. So for Tuesday, are you referring me to some group already on webinar?
No, I am part of the same group.
Okay. So I do not know the name of the group. How do I join it?
I will be sending you an invite,
All right, sir.
and then you register for the meeting.
So one more thing. I have actually in the webinar right now for Meetup, I've logged in through my personal account and
Okay.
not the official account. So if
No, I'm going to send you the invite on your email address,
Okay.
AM Glass address.
all right, sir. ठीक है.
So you register for the event. You'll be getting the Zoom link, and probably you should be ready to walk into the meeting room at 6:55 a.m.
Got it, sir. Got it.
and take enough, I would say, notepad and everything, and ample time, approximately till 10. You should be there to ask as many questions as you want to ask. At what is, how am I going to generate and build my business in domestic, institutional area with this team which is standing here.
Got it. Got it, sir.
And also a takeaway for you is it is also linked to a global market.
Fair enough, sir.
It is not about in domestic Indian market. It is all about how do you buy, how do you sell to institutional buyers in institutional market and global markets across countries.
That will be very helpful, sir. I mean, whatever takeaway I can get from that,
Sure.
will be more than enough. Anyway,
All right, Piyush.
thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Piyush. Thank you so much.
I'll leave the meeting now.